DIY all-natural deodorant that works. Making the leap to a clean beauty routine often starts with deodorant. If you're cautious about what you put on your skin, parabens and other chemicals that can disturb your endocrine system should be kept away from the underarm area, where toxins can readily be absorbed into the circulation. Many commercial deodorants also contain aluminum, a substance that prevents you from sweating by blocking your sweat ducts. Natural deodorants, on the other hand, are free of chemicals like aluminum, relying instead on natural substances to absorb moisture and neutralize odor. However, because finding a natural deodorant that works for you will almost certainly need trial and error, developing your own natural deodorant allows you to tailor a formula to your specific needs. Plus, you can personalize the scent of your DIY natural deodorant by using a blend of essential oils to create a sophisticated and alluring aroma. Essential oils are active botanicals with a variety of medicinal characteristics that can help you stay dry and bacteria-free. Because the underarm area is sensitive and easily irritated, creating your own DIY natural deodorant allows you to adjust your formula to your individual skin problems. The ingredients for DIY natural deodorant are straightforward: a foundation, a powder mixture that will be folded into the base for moisture wicking, and a blend of essential oils based on personal choice. Coconut oil is a fantastic choice for DIY natural deodorant since it solidifies easily, and while it does soak into pores, this is a good thing. You should, however, do a skin test before applying your DIY deodorant to ensure that your customized solution does not cause breakouts. When it comes to your base, combining coconut oil with shea butter, which has a rich, luxurious, and creamy texture, gives you the best of all worlds. Here are the ingredients you'll need to get started. 2 tablespoons of shea butter, 3 tablespoons of coconut oil, 3 tablespoons of baking soda, 2 tablespoons of arrowroot powder. Your favorite essential oils. 1. Melt your base. In a quart mason jar, combine the shea butter and coconut oil. Heat the mixture in a double boiler over low heat, never heat the oils directly. Coconut oil has a melting temperature of 78 degrees Fahrenheit, while shea butter has a melting point of 89 to 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Remove from heat and set it aside after it has melted. 2. Mix the formula. Blend in the baking soda and arrowroot powder when the base has cooled. Be sure to thoroughly mix everything together. Create your own deodorant by mixing essential oils according to your specific preferences. Here are some suggestions. Lavender has a soothing flowery aroma and is an antifungal used to treat infections, allergies, and eczema. Tea tree has a refreshing camphoraceous fragrance and is antibacterial. Vetiver has a woodsy musk aroma and is used as an insect repellent. Davana has a delicious vanilla smell and is antimicrobial. 3. Pour and set. If you want to make a deodorant bar out of your mixture, you can pour it into a mold or buy a BPA-free deodorant container. Refrigerate or freeze the mixture to allow it to firm on its own. Because shea butter has a slightly greater melting point than coconut oil, our mixture will be a bit more solid. To keep your homemade natural deodorant as firm as possible, keep it in a cold, dry place. Links to products mentioned are in the description. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more videos like this one.